How to change language on SHEIN. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open the SHEIN app, and on the bottom of the right hand side, you can see the option of me. So, just click on that, and and on the top of the right hand side, you can see settings. So, just click on there, and you can see language over here. So set on any language you want to. There might be only one language available. That is because you have not set your location. So just go on location and set your location. For example, I set my location to Bhutan. So I set my location to Bhutan. Now I have three languages available over here. So this is how you can change language on SHEIN. If you like this video or if this video helped you in any way, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.